Hi guys, good morning. It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. I am very excited today, if you can't tell. I'm moving into my new apartment today. I get the keys to my new place. My lease starts today. This is going to be the first of many moving vlogs. We have a long day ahead of us. It is Friday morning. I am about to drive over to my storage unit to meet the movers. I'm hiring movers for the first time ever in my life. My mom and I moved all my stuff out of my old apartment and into my storage unit, and it was just so much work. I think I've hit the point where I have too much stuff to do it myself now. So I hired movers. So I'm meeting them at around 8:45 at the storage unit. They're gonna load everything up and then we're gonna drive over to the new place. I'm gonna get my keys. I'll show you guys an empty apartment tour when we get there. And then the movers are gonna unload everything. And then we'll spend the rest of the day just unpacking and getting settled in. Very excited to show you guys the new place. But yeah, I just picked up bagels for my mom and I. And we have some coffee to go. My mom's driving her car separate because we ended up filling 2 cars worth of stuff just from what I had at my parents' house. Like, I have suitcases with like clothes, because obviously when I moved into my parents' house I didn't know how long I'd be staying there, so I just packed like a ton of clothes. And then my mom's car is filled with like a million Amazon boxes and IKEA stuff and just like things that I've been ordering over the past few weeks for the new place. So we filled up our cars. We're gonna both drive over to the storage unit and the movers can kind of help us take the stuff from our cars into the new apartment too. So that's what's happening. Here is where all of my stuff has been living for the past couple of weeks. This is our starting point. Let's see how long it takes them to pack all this up. Hi guys, I made it to the new apartment. There's an echo in here. I'm admiring the natural light coming in right now. So good. I got a little bit of a head start. My mom stayed with the movers while they finished up packing, and I drove over to my new place to pick up the keys, and I had to pick up like my parking pass and stuff. So I am here now just waiting for them to get here to load everything up. So I'm gonna quickly give you guys the empty apartment tour. Okay, here's the front door. So when you first walk in, this is what you see. We have a little hallway leading into the apartment. First off, I'm not a fan of the floors, but the space and everything in this apartment is worth it, so I can look past the floors. When you first walk in, we have 2 closets here. Probably the top thing that I was looking for in a new apartment was more closet space. My last apartment really lacked it, so you'll see this apartment has plenty of closet space. So this closet is a full-size one. I'm gonna have this function as like a coat closet. And then this closet is smaller, but since this is right off of the kitchen, I think I'm gonna actually get some kind of shelving unit to go in here, and I'm gonna make this kind of like a pantry slash, like, I'll keep all my cleaning stuff in here, maybe my laundry stuff in here. Then when you turn this way, we have a little nook area here. On this wall, I'm gonna put my little cabinet that I had in my last apartment, and then I think I'm gonna hang my like round mirror on the wall here. And then when you turn this way, you enter the kitchen. The kitchen is my favorite part of this apartment. It is massive. There is so much cabinet space. It's a little bit dated, but it could be a lot worse. I like that the cabinets are white. All the appliances are updated. We have a dishwasher, the sink here, a gas stove, which I'm stoked about. I have always had an electric stove in apartments, so I'm really excited to have a gas stove. And then we have the fridge over here, pretty standard. Just so much counter space, so much cabinet and drawer space. Really excited to get this all organized. And then when you look over here, the kitchen actually opens up into the living room, makes it feel more bright and open. So when you go this way out of the kitchen, we enter the living room. It's a really good size, just pretty standard living room. I love that that's all windows over there. So looking back this way, this is like the little window from the kitchen. So I got bar stools that are gonna go here, and I'm not gonna have an actual dining table in this apartment, so I'm just gonna keep this space more open and just have bar stools here to eat at if I want to eat like at an actual table. And then for in here, layout wise, I'm going to put my couch over on this wall, TV stand stand over here. I think I'm gonna put my big standing mirror right here. And then over in this corner, I'm going to put my desk and have like my little workspace over here. So yeah, that's the living room. The only weird thing is there's no built-in lights anywhere in this apartment except for the kitchen and the entryway hallway. So it's obviously bright right now because it's daytime, but at night I'm gonna have to get lamps. Moving this way, over here we have the third closet, which is a really good size. I'm probably gonna hang most of my clothes in here. Then moving this way, we have the bathroom. I actually really love the bathroom. It's just like clean, all white. We have some storage under here. And then also what I love is all of these mirrors open up, all three of them. So I have a lot of space to put all of my skincare products. And then we have the shower tub duo over here, which I haven't had a bathtub in a lot of years, so I'm very excited about that. Then moving this way into the last room, which is the bedroom. So much sunlight coming in. This bedroom is so much bigger than my last bedroom. So I'm gonna have my bed here with my 2 nightstands. Full-size dresser over here, TV on the wall, and then I think I'm gonna put my like tall skinny dresser over in this corner. And then over here is the 4th and final closet. We have some more hanging space over here and then all these built-ins. I kind of wish the bedroom closet was just hanging storage because I feel like it makes sense to have all my clothes in here, and then it would be nice to have like the built-ins not attached to my bedroom, but not a big deal. So that's why I'll probably put some clothes in here, but then put the rest in that closet there. Yeah, that is the apartment. I love it. It's definitely a very different vibe from my last apartment. Location-wise, this location is so much better. I'm so close to New York City, and also there's like a lot going on in this neighborhood. Like my old neighborhood was just apartment buildings and like maybe 2 restaurants. There weren't like many places to go and hang out, but this area has so many restaurants, bars, coffee shops. I feel like it's super lively in the summer too. There's a lot of like outdoor stuff to do. So I just think I'm gonna be really happy in this area. And the apartment itself is nice and bright. There's way more square footage than I had before, and there's so much closet and kitchen storage space. It's obviously a little more dated than my last place, but my last apartment was like brand new, super modern. So this like isn't that old, it's just a little more dated, but I'm excited to decorate it and make it my own. I am gonna see how far out my mom and the movers are because I think they're getting close, and I'm gonna go down and meet them and we'll start bringing stuff up. We just picked up Sweet Green and gotta show you guys the apartment. The movers were so fast. It took like 3 hours total, including travel time. So everything is in here. Lots of unpacking to do. Here's the kitchen. Lots of boxes. Okay, first order of business while my mom is here to help me, we're going to build this IKEA dresser. Not looking forward to it, but then I can put all my clothes away. Hi guys, it is much later in the day. Today has been the longest day ever. Drag race is about to start, but I don't have my Wi-Fi set up yet because my router is packed in a box somewhere. So I'm not gonna be able to watch that on time, but I'll watch it later, it's fine. Last thing I vlogged was my mom and I building the dresser for my bedroom. So that took us several hours, but it was super nice having her help because it would have taken me so long if I did it by myself. So we built that dresser, love it, from IKEA, super affordable. I want to say it was around like $160. I think I'm gonna start unpacking my clothes tonight, so we'll get that dresser and like some of my closets organized a little bit. But after we finished building the dresser, my mom needed to go back home, so I also went back to my parents' house with her because I needed to pick up Kitty. Lennon's gonna stay at my parents' house for a couple more days just because like the apartment is such a mess right now, and I feel like it would stress her out being here, and it would stress me out having her here. So she's just gonna stay with my parents for a few more days until I get things more settled in here. But Kitty just likes to be with me, and I would miss Kitty if I didn't bring her here. So I picked up Kitty to bring here tonight, which she's around here somewhere. I feel so bad. As soon as I opened up her carrier, she like ran out and hid somewhere. So she's hiding from me right now, like behind some boxes somewhere, and I haven't set up any of the lights in the living room or the bedroom yet, so it's like super dark. I like can't find her. But I feel like cats always do this, like in a new space, they like hide for a day or two and then they come around and she'll thrive, she'll be fine. So I'm not worried about her, she'll come out at her own time. The apartment is the same way that we left it. There's boxes everywhere. I don't know where anything is. It's a disaster. The bedroom is dark. There's just like all this stuff here. I also need to put my bed together so I can sleep tonight. So I think first order of business is I'm gonna set up my lamps so that I have light. I ordered 4 of these light bulbs from Target. They were on sale and they're like a cheaper version of the Philips Hue lights. I'm honestly not sure how you set them up, but I believe it all connects to an app and you can like make them different colors and stuff. So I'm getting 2 lamps for the living room. So I got 2 for the living room, and then I got 2 for the lamps in the bedroom. This is not where this lamp is gonna go, but I'm just gonna plug it in here so I have enough light to put my bed together. Turning on Girls Gotta Eat podcast while we deal with this room. I found Kitty. Where'd you go? Kitten. It's okay. Oh, I feel so bad. She's so confused. It's okay. Okay, I put my bed together. Kitty's out and about. She's like half hiding, half curious and like wants to come out, but she's pretending that she's scared. Put my bed together, put the mattress on. I don't know where my sheets are. They are somewhere around here, so I need to find what like box or bag they're in before I can make my bed. I'm pretty sure they're in one of these plastic containers with my clothes. So next step is gonna be to start unpacking these, and any folded clothes I'll just like fold and put them on the bed and then figure out what drawers they're gonna go into, and then I have my hangers there to start hanging stuff in the closets if I can get to them. But yeah, here's a little overview of the room. I'm so happy with how everything fits in here. Like there's still so much open space between the dresser and the bed, which I love. I did order a rug that's gonna go here, but it's not supposed to come for a little while, I think, so I didn't want to like wait to set up my bed until the rug comes, but that'll make it feel more like cozy in here and also kind of cover up the ugly floors. And then over here there's so much open space. I don't know what I'm gonna put in that corner yet, but this corner I just have my little dresser. But yeah, gonna get started unpacking these. hang my shower curtain because I want to take a shower and start getting ready for bed. And I realized that I didn't buy the little hooks to hang the shower curtain. I bought a curtain, I bought a liner, but I didn't buy the hooks. I guess I'm gonna be showering without a shower curtain for today. I do have to go to Target tomorrow, so that'll be top of my list. Okay guys, I just showered, I made my bed, and I am exhausted. It's been like the longest day ever, so I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I am gonna be vlogging the next several days, so there are many more moving vlogs to come. This video was mostly just like the empty apartment tour and getting my stuff moved in, but the next few vlogs will be more like unpacking, organizing, furnishing, decorating, all of that fun stuff. So make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss out on any of these moving vlogs. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye!